Hola y bienvenidos a todos. Hello and welcome you all to my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. I am Pallavi. I'll be teaching you Spanish language in a loco way, in a fun way, because Espanol es muy loco. Loco, crazy. Y buenas tardes. Good evening. So in the last video you have learned the part of conjugations, but AR ending verb and ER ending verb. Okay, so till now you have learned how to form the conjugations of regular verbs. As I have said before, there are two types of verbs in Spanish language, which are regular verbs and irregular verbs. Okay, but right now we are learning what is the pattern to conjugate the regular verbs. Okay, as in regular verbs also there are three types of verbs, which are AR, ER and IR ending verb. So basically they ends with AR, ER and IR. Okay, so there are three types of verbs in regular verbs. So you have learned the pattern in the last videos. AR ending verb and ER ending verb you have already done. Hablar, which means to talk, you have done the part. Trabajar, which means to work. Beber, which means to drink. Comer, which means to eat. Okay, so you have done. Basically I was taking two examples for each type of verbs, because to let you know, like, the pattern is same. So what we are removing, we always remove the AR, ER from the end, and we add the specific alphabets. Okay, so that depends which type of verb is that. Okay, so today we will do IR ending verb. We will take two verbs same. We will take vivir. Vivir means to live. Okay, so you have done this verb, I guess, in the introduction part. Yo vivo en Delhi. I live in Delhi. Okay, so we will do the all type of conjugations. We are doing all type of conjugations, as in singular form, plural form, first person, second person, third person. Okay, so there are 6 types of conjugations in each verb, in each tense, in specific tenses. Okay, so let me tell you, we are doing right now present tense, not other tense. We are just doing present tense only. I do that, I go there, I live here. Okay, so first we are doing only present tense, then we'll get back to the other tenses. Okay, so next verb I am going to take, which will be escribir, which means to write. Okay, so let's get to the part which will be the singular forms only of vivir verb and escribir, both of them. Okay, let's get started. So yeah, as you can see here, these all are singular forms. We will learn, I will explain the formation. But first of all, let me tell you, if you are watching this video for the first time, so I will suggest you that just go watch the video for which will be los pronombres, the pronouns. Okay, these all are pronouns. We have already done this part. Okay, so I will suggest, before going to the conjugation part, conjugaciones, first go and watch the pronoun video. Okay, that will be in the playlist grammar. Okay, so yeah, on my channel, which will be Spanish with Pallavi. Okay, so stay tuned. So what we are doing here, we will remove these 2 words from the last IR ending verb. Okay, and we will add the specific alphabets here. Okay, yo means I, to, you in an informal way, ella, usted, he, she, and you in a formal way. Okay, what we'll do, as we were doing with the AR ending verb, ER ending verb, we will do the same here. We will add O at the end. Yo vivo, yo escribo, yo vivo en Delhi, I live in Delhi. Okay, tu, I am adding ES at the end and removing this IR from the end. Okay, tu vives en Delhi. And for the third form, I will only add E, not ES. Okay, and from these 3, we will use one at a time. Okay, él vive en Delhi, ella vive en Delhi, usted vive en Delhi. Okay, he lives in Delhi, and you in a formal way lives in Delhi. Okay, and same we will do here also. Escribir, which means to write. Escribir una carta. Una carta, the letter. CARTA, carta. Una we are using because that's a feminine. Okay, so yeah. Yo escribo una carta. I write a letter. Tú escribes una carta. Okay. Él escribe A. Wherever the E will come, that will be A. The sound will be A. Tu escribes una carta, él escribe una carta, ella escribe una carta, usted escribe una carta. Okay, so these all are, first of all, again, let me tell you, these all are singular forms only, not plural. Okay. So now let's learn the plural forms of these verbs. So yeah, as you can see here, these all are plural forms now, okay? And plural, don't mind, that is my dog, okay? Diwali is going on, so that's why he's getting very, just because of crackers, and people are not serious about the pollution in Delhi, but yeah, okay. Nosotros vivimos. Okay, nosotros vivimos in Delhi. Okay, so I'm not saying vivemos like we were doing with er ending verb. We will do vivimos. Vivis, the accent will be there, and viven. Okay, so nosotros vivimos in Delhi. Vosotros vivís in Delhi. Okay, vosotros means you all in a like informal way. Okay, I'm not giving respect. I'm just saying normally. Nosotros vivimos en Delhi, we all. Vosotros vivís en Delhi, you all, in an informal way. Ellos means, ellos, ellas means they, masculine and feminine. Ellos viven en Delhi, ellas viven en Delhi. Ustedes will be you all in a formal way. Ustedes viven en Delhi. Same we will do here also. Escribimos. Escribes. Escriben. Okay. Nosotros escribimos una carta. We all write a letter. Okay. Vosotros escribes una carta. Una carta, you all know, that's feminine. That's why we are using una carta, a letter. Ellos escriben una carta. Ellas escriben una carta. Ustedes escriben una carta. So learn this. Imos is in, and we all are removing only this IR from the end, because it's an IR ending verb. Okay, so we will always remove from AR, we will remove AR. From ER ending verb, we will remove ER, and from IR also we will remove IR from the end, from each verb. Okay, and we are only doing regular verbs. Conjugaciones we have learned. So you have done all three parts for regular verbs. Okay, AR, IR and ER, the formation, how we conjugate the verbs in the present tense, how we form the verbs for first person, second person, third person, singular, plural. Okay, you have already done this part now. Okay, stay tuned with my channel. I'll be uploading so many videos in the coming days, okay, regarding the conjugations, regarding each tense also, and so on. There will be concept videos also, so stay tuned with my channel, which is Spanish with Pallavi. I'm Pallavi. I'll be teaching you Spanish language in a loco way, because Español es muy loco. Adiós, hasta pronto.